What is the meaning of the word salt? As a noun, a compound formed by replacing hydrogen in an acid by a metal, or a radical that acts like a metal. White crystalline form of especially sodium chloride used to season and preserve food. The taste experience when common salt is taken into the mouth. As a verb, add salt to. Sprinkle as if with salt. Add zest or liveliness to. Preserve with salt. Examples of use: the rebels had salted the fields with mines and traps. She salts her lectures with jokes. People used to salt meats on ships. Salt is spelled S-A-L-T. Salt.